Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will show you how to add favorite people on your WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp, tap on the three dots on the top right corner to access the settings. Here you can see the settings option, tap on it and reach the favorites option and tap on it. Here you can see the add favorite option. Tap on the add favorite option to add your favorite pupils. Here you can see the chats in your WhatsApp. Choose the required chats to add in the favorite option. And tap on the tick mark on the bottom side. Now the peoples you selected are in the favorites list. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.